10 more Sundays? I don't think it's that many. What are you gonna get for your birthday?
Presents and a balloon.
What?
Presents and balloon.
Presents and a balloon. Do you know what kind of presents you're gonna get?
Princess presents.
Princess?
And door presents.
Oh wow, you're really good at dancing. Are you doing a little dance for us? Oh. Wow. Good job.
Dance like your mom.
Wow. Good job. Oh, you guys are good dancers. Oh, wow, good move, Sean. And Charles, too. Oh, careful, don't run into each other. Wow, you guys are so good. Oh, another big move.